Hey y'all, it's your girl Simply Crystalline back with another hair video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my large or jumbo knotless box braids. So as you guys know, right now I'm just parting the hair using my precision comb by Braid Barbie. I'll also put the link in this video as well. Every product that I'm going to use, I will post a link in the bottom for you guys to have easy access if you guys want to purchase it. As you can see, I'm going to be using my O gel by Evolving Textures. I love this braiding gel. It holds really well. I also use the Shine and Jam Braiders Edition by Magic Fingers. If you can't get to the O gel, that's also one that I use. I was actually using that all the way up until I came across the O gel, but I like them both. Now here's the hair I'm going to be using. It's called I Define Easy Knotless Braid. Each hair or bundle of hair is pre-divided, so it actually makes it a lot easier for you to braid, because you don't have to sit there and try to guess how much hair to put in each braid so that your braids can look evenly. So right here I'm just putting the jam on the hair. I'm going to massage it through, comb it through, and then I will begin to start braiding. So now I'm just starting the braid. Sometimes I'll do 3 plaits, 2 or 1. I just did 1 right here, and now I'm adding in one of the pieces of the hair, and as you can see, it has a small knot around it. That's how it stays separate from the other pieces of hair in the bag. And I was a little bit leery at first because I was wondering how I was going to braid without seeing the knot, but I actually just placed the knot in back of the braid, and you could not tell that there was a knot at all in any of the braids. And right here I dropped a piece of hair and it didn't even faze me because the hair did not like unravel. It didn't spread across the floor, like it didn't lose its form or shape. So that's one thing I did like about the hair. So right here I'm just plaiting down, but I'm tucking the client's hair in the back of the braid so that her hair would not stick out from the plait, and just to make it look more sleek. And also, if you're wondering what happened to my hand, I burned it, so that's just a scab. So here's the final braid. This is with me adding 4 pieces. She wanted a little bit of color, so it is an ombre color. I do actually like how easy it was just to have the hair already pre-parted, but I don't really know if I like the texture of the hair. It's not as smooth, and I don't know, it's just not like the Rua hair. I swear by the Rua hair, I love Rua hair, and this one is just a little bit more kinky to me, and it got tangled a lot on the ends. I don't know if it's just because of them dyeing the hair, but if that was the only thing I did not like about it, that would be it. Just the texture of the hair I did not like, but it still braided well, and in my opinion it didn't really dip well. But I still like how this kind of made the braiding process much easier. Alright, so I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I'm adding the mousse, and as you can see, we had a lot of laughs. This is my girl right here. We've known each other since the 6th grade. We grew up together all the time. You know, she was crazy, I was the calm one. No, I'm joking, but that's my boo right there. But yeah, I'm adding in the mousse, and now I'm just adding the blow dryer to the mousse to help it finish dissolving. And now I'm just going through with my comb and kind of cleaning up the edges. So now we're done. And I do like how the braids look even, they look uniform. So that's a pro also about the hair. And she bought 7 packs of hair, and we only used 1 pack and 1 bundle out of the other pack. So that's also a pro. So you do get a lot of hair in 1 pack. So I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.